Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Welcome to Gulfishan's online lecture system. Today our subject is math. Let's start counting. Read with me. 41, 42, 43. 41, 42, 43. Let's read once again. 41, 42, 43. Now you can count easily. Thank you.